Today we're gonna learn how to make Fritos. The wrong way. Oh, it's the right way, Quacky. So you come with me and I will show you. Okay, so here is how to make Fritos. First, we are going to need this. It is something, I don't know what it is really. It's for the Fritos to get the color. So first we'll put some water. So there's some water. Just that. Good. And then we'll grab the soap, or whatever this is, and then we'll squeeze it. Oh, the water fell out. Okay, so we're going to be squeezing. Oh, there's no water in here. There. Yeah, we're going to have some soap. Wait, a little bit more. A little bit more. Good, perfect. Next we're gonna get this thing. Swirl it around. That doesn't look like it at all to me. Oh, be quiet, Quacky. You don't even know how to. Of course I do. Hey, what are you? Yes, we got answer this. For the milk, some dairy you need some dairy. I think that's dairy. Okay, I'm gonna mix it now. A few more stirrings later. These stirrings are so hard. Okay. Next, I don't know what to put next, so what to put next? Oh yeah! Let's put some, I don't know really, but we need some cream, right? All of us need cream. I am gonna do. Now, can you please wait it for a moment? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, we are back, and let's put the cream in. Here it goes. Now I'll be stirring. Can you please stir for me? Now that looks like Fritos, right you guys? Now we're gonna add a little bit more of the stuff. Perfect. A little bit more this here. Good. Now we need a little more for the flavor. And for last but not least, we will be getting the flavor of all the flavor Frito. Flavor the Frito. Flavor the Frito. Good. Now we will be back